Hello, programmers. I'm Yash, sole programmer at planetvearcity, a place where programmers come to learn, build, and grow. Welcome to tutorial series on shell scripting. In this video, we will cover read command. To get input from the keyboard, we use read command. The read command takes input from the keyboard and assigns it to a variable. So let's get started. I have already created a new shell script file which is user input, which is named user input, and which is on my desktop, and I have also already changed the permission so that we can execute the file. We will start by writing bin bash, and let's do a simple example. Enter your name and this, and the way read command works is we say read and we pass in the variable. So it's going to be my variable, and we will say hello, and you call the variable with a dollar, and how are you, question mark, and let's run the app. And we can do user input.sh, and what happened? Okay, we forgot the first one here, and let's run it again, and it says enter your name, and it says hello Yash, how are you? But I don't like the way it is prompting me to enter my name at the bottom. I want it to ask me right here. So one way we can fix that is we say -n in the echo, and keep it this way, and let's run it once again. I already saved the file, and once again say Yash. Let's try something else so that we know it works. Lion, or we can say Rango. Yep, hello Rango, how are you? Okay, next thing, even so, what happens if we don't pass a variable inside read? It still works, but it stores the value in a global variable called reply. So the way you access it is reply, and it's all caps. And let's try it once again. So we will start with Rango this time, and it says hello Rango, how are you? Okay, next thing, we can avoid this echo all as a whole, and what we can do is is it possible to move it here? That's cool. And let me get rid of this, and we will say -p. So when you use a p option, it prompts with the string, and it can store it to a variable, and we will say name this time, and let's run it once again, and we will say user input.sh, let's say Yash this time, and it says hello Yash, how are you? Now, it is also possible to take multiple inputs in one read. So how we will do that? We can say enter 1 2 4, and here we can say num n1 and 2 and 3 and 4, and we can split it out. So we can say echo, or just we can be n1 dollar and 2 and 3 and dollar. Don't forget the dollar, otherwise it won't work. And save it, and let's try again, and it says 1 2 3 4, and it spits it out. So that's how you can get multiple inputs. There is one more way to get multiple inputs, that is by using an array. So the way it works is, it's pretty simple too. So here, instead of this, just say nums, and here we will make some changes. So we will say curly brackets, and let's say nums, and here it's like an array. You can access it with the index, and the only difference is you need to do this curly bracket thingy, and paste it here, paste it here, paste it here, and definitely it starts with a 0. So, and here this will be 3, and this time let's say enter for freeze. That should be fine. Okay, you know what, let's do planets. I like planets. Planets, and here let's run it again, and we will say, of course, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, and maybe Venus. Okay, and it prints out our planets, so that's good. Let's create something like a login page. So how do we hide the user's password? We can do that too. So we will say read dash p, and this time we will say username and ask for username, and we will say dash for if you wish to avoid the output of the keyboard, you can say S, which means silent, so that you don't see the password on the screen, but it is still taking it as input, just as a method of protection. Password, and we will say echo dash e slash n, and let's say username, and it's going to be dollar username, and let's say password, let's do dollar password, and save, and let's run the app and see how it works. So username will be Yash Patel, and password planetvearcity, and it works fine. So let's go ahead and create a app where we ask user to give us two numbers, and we will do some mathematical operations. Sounds great. So we will start by doing read dash p and number 1, and we can say n1, and read dash p number 2, and here we will say n2. So let's go ahead and echo it out, and of course we need dash e slash n, and here we will say dollar n1 plus dollar n2 equals to, and when you are doing arithmetic operation, you need to surround it by double brackets, and that's how you can do math operations. And this we will just copy. Let's see how it works. So let's run the script once. We'll say user input, and we'll say 4 is fine, and let's do 2. 4 plus 2 6, perfect. And now we can go ahead and copy this and paste it here, and let's remove this. We don't a new line now because it should be fine. And minus, let's do subtraction right here, and copy this one now, and we'll paste it 3 more times, and change it to multiplication, and multiplication over here, and division, and this is going to be modulo, and let's do division right here, and modulo right here, and we are good to go. And let's have a slash and right at the end. So let's run the app script for one last time, and we'll say 5 this time, and let's do 2, and 5 plus 2 7, 5 minus 2 is 3. It works perfectly fine. So that's it for this video, guys. If you guys have any questions or comments, please post them in the comment section below, and do like this video in order to support the channel, and also subscribe for future videos. I'll see you guys next time.